Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to delete your search history in TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to TikTok profile, then tap on the three white lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on settings and privacy. Now here tap on the activity center, and after that tap on search history. Here you can see all of your searches. So what you can do is tap on select in the top right and select all to delete every search. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.